Hello and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 15 minutes to discuss the 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. The live forum and Q&A session are exclusively available to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. You can always revisit previous episodes on this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Weekly Forum. The forum is a high-impact webinar exclusive to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. We use this as a platform to surface some of the best, highest conviction insights across the network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma, but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. Every week, we surface some of the best small and mid-cap, large-cap, as well as core thematic ideas. At the end of the week, we take video recordings of the forum and upload them to our YouTube channel for your easier consumption. You can revisit old ideas at your own time and pace, as well as share them with friends. This week, we will begin by taking a look at Facebook and examining what are the prospects for a rebound. We will then proceed to look at C Group, also known as Shopee in this part of the world. And finally, we will examine the case for Perfect Medical, a proxy to Hong Kong's growing aesthetic industry, and examine whether this current correction provides an entry opportunity. Let's begin by Meta Platforms. This is a mega cap with a market cap of over $350 billion US dollars. The stock price has fallen a very, very long way. It is covered by Aaron Gabin on Smartkarma. Meta, or Facebook, as many people remember it, operates a social media technology company. As it currently stands, the share price is trading at 14 times PE and 6 times EV/EBITDA. A drumbeat of competitive concerns have piled up recently, including the rise of ByteDance and TikTok. Aaron notes that core Facebook is still not in what would be called a death spiral. App downloads still seem to be growing. Meanwhile, Facebook is investing in a lot of new ad tech and ad formats, as well as the metaverse. And while it's doing that, it has the ability to significantly reduce its OPEX from the budget as well. All of this could result in 10 to 20% upside to the current 2023 consensus. Overall, Meta remains in investment mode with increased R&D spend, and that would potentially cap significant upside. Moving on to C Group, the ticker is SE space US. This is a share that has fallen significantly from where it was trading earlier on in the year. It is covered by Oshadi Kubarasiri on the platform. C Group offers many different tech services, including digital content, e-commerce, payments, soon a digital bank, as well as obviously its gaming business, which is called Garena. Oshi has been extremely bearish on the stock for nearly 2 years now, and he's been one of the very, very few analysts to have been warning us of impending concerns. He notes that the gaming business is in decline and continues to lose users despite up to 5 major updates since June last year. Without this business funding C's Group, it expects that the Shopee will also start losing its top-line growth potential from the fourth quarter of this year onwards. He predicts quite a lot of downside over the medium term. However, an okay-ish third quarter could see its shares bouncing back from the bottom. Finally, we will take a look at Perfect Medical 1830 with a market cap of about $500 million US dollars. This is covered by Sameer Taneja on Smartkarma. Perfect Medical offers slimming and beauty treatments, including fat softening services, freckle removals, and so forth. The share price has fallen a lot and is currently trading on just 9 times current and 6.9 times forward PE, with a 10 to 14% dividend yield, assuming a 100% payout ratio. Its Hong Kong operations are in good health, and the second quarter revenues have already normalized to pre-COVID levels. Meanwhile, cash and financial investments are almost 16% of market cap. There is a significant opportunity for Perfect Medical to continue to make accretive acquisitions and grow its business, which should see it growing in a very secular way from here on. For all this and more, Kindly continue the conversation on Smartkarma, where you can post discussions and have direct conversations with our insight providers. Thanks very much for your time and hope to see you again next week. Bye-bye.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thanks for watching and see you next week.